Okay, so we're going to start the second half of our videos on nutrients. We're going to talk about vitamins to start. Vitamins are an organic compound and are important for normal growth and nutrients. They are only needed in small amounts for the average diet, mainly because they cannot be synthesized. Vitamins have various important functions, such as building up the immune system, turning food into energy, repairing cells. This is different from minerals in that vitamins can be broken down while minerals are not. Vitamins are labeled in two different categories, fat-soluble and water-soluble, and that is the important thing to remember. There are 4 fat-soluble vitamins, A, D, E, and K. Those vitamins are absorbed more easily by the body in the presence of dietary fat. Other types of vitamins are labeled as water-soluble. These have to be restored daily, while the body has a small supply of them stored. Certain type of vitamin deficiencies. So if you're low on certain vitamins, you could be affected by anemia, blood clotting, skin problems, bone problems, and neural problems. Because there's so many different types of vitamins and the amount that need to be taken in to list all of the deficiencies from every single one would be a lot. And same thing with excessive. There are some things that can happen if you have too many vitamins, and these are specifically related to A, D, E, and K because they are constantly in your body versus the water-soluble ones, which need to be replenished daily. The water-soluble ones, if there's an excessive amount, typically they are excreted by the body. So for the ones that don't or aren't excreted, you can get nausea, diarrhea, stomach cramps, mild nerve damage, and hair loss. There are the sources for that. Let's go to minerals right away since those are so closely related to vitamins. Minerals. A mineral is a solid or inorganic substance of natural occurrence. Minerals are naturally occurring. They are not made by humans. They have never been alive and are not made from plants or animals. Examples of mineral nutrients for the human body include iron, calcium, copper, sulfur, phosphorus, magnesium, and many other nutrients. Minerals are important because they keep your body healthy. They help you build strong muscles, teeth, and bones. They also help to strengthen your skin, hair, blood, nerve system, and metabolic processes. Metabolic processes include turning the food you eat into energy. 2 different types of minerals. Also important to know, you have macro minerals. You need a larger amount of these, including calcium, iron, and magnesium. Calcium obviously is found in milk. Trace minerals, you only need a small amount of these. Those would include iron, copper, iodine, and fluoride. Excessive and deficiencies. What happens to the body when you have too many or not enough? For excessive, some of the symptoms are nausea, diarrhea, stomach cramps, hair loss, fatigue, and nerve damage. Deficiencies, they broke it down, which is great, into different kinds of deficiencies. Iron deficiency, you have low blood cells and your muscles won't work. Iodine deficiency causes a low concentration in food. Calcium deficiency, calcium levels in the blood are low. Calcium deficiencies can also lead to the beginning stages of osteoporosis. And the last one that we're going to talk about is carbohydrates. And carbohydrates are a larger group of organic compounds that are in foods and tissue. Examples are starches, cellulose, and sugars. They are broken down to give the animal body energy to do activities. Carbohydrates are in almost everything you eat, like fruit, vegetables, breads, potatoes, and pastas. You need carbs so your body can function on energy and do not need to rely on your body burning fat in a harmful way. Different types. You've got sugars, which are sweet, short-chain carbohydrates found in food. Examples, glucose, fructose, galactose, and sucrose. Starches are long rows of glucose molecules, which eventually get broken down into glucose in the digestive system. Examples are bread, pasta, rice, potatoes, and oats. Fiber, humans can't digest fiber, although the bacteria in the digestive system can make some use out of them. Examples, almonds, lentils, broccoli, and oranges. What happens to your body if you have deficiencies? You can get low blood sugar. Sometimes dieters feel very tired if they're trying to go on a low-carb diet. When you don't have enough carbs, your body gets no energy. Ketosis is another one by the minor effects of being headache, but the severe one being painful joints and kidney stones. Too many carbs equals weight gain, type 2 diabetes, thickened arteries, and brain fog. The carbs would also affect the glucagon, the hormone that is important to burn fat as energy, which makes more insulin. And that's their works cited. So make sure you take those notes and we'll do more with them and discuss them later.